Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining shortly how you can use Microsoft OneDrive, so let's get right into it. Now, Microsoft OneDrive is Microsoft's own cloud storage service, very similar, or in fact pretty much the same as Google Drive is for Google's services. You can upload your own files for safekeeping as a backup, so on and so forth. There is a lot of ways which you can use them. However, I'll just be showing you a few just to in general demonstrate how you can use it. Now, as with Google Drive, you can just create new files. As you can see, you have files here. You can just click on the new icon with the plus, and then you can either select a folder, Word document, Excel workbook. Of course, this is all from Microsoft Office. You can also create plain text documents, and that is pretty much everything that you can download or create within OneDrive. You can also upload your own files or folders so that you can gain access to them very easily. I think that's what separates it from Google Drive, where you can just upload folders and download them yourself. I don't know if they have to be zipped as in Google Drive. I don't think you do, but that is also what you can do. But yeah, you can, if you have any documents such as these text documents, you can also select which ones you want and you can download them as well. You can also view your recently viewed folders. You can go into your photos and view whichever photos you've uploaded. Of course, it is a different sort of UI for the photos section, but it's pretty much the same. You can see what you've downloaded in recycle bin and so on and so forth. It is very easy and intuitive to use, so just use your instincts and everything should be fine. I showed you some basics. The rest I'll leave up to you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.